Okay, we're back. Don't mind the mess. Everything is in order, believe it or not. That's just a shield. Don't worry about that. The sensor that I'm using, the crank sensor, doesn't use it. I'm using a GM style. But so far, so good. Everything is registering properly with it just shorted like this and haphazardly strewn across the valve cover. So, let's see what we got here. I got my TPS. Ooh, it's a wonderful thing. Got a little help from my buddy Timmy down there in North Carolina. He's Ron's guy for his car, so he helped me figure out the mystery that is this GM crank sensor to Fueltech wiring, and it seems like it's perfect. So that's cool. Intake temp sensor works. Coolant temperature sensor works. Kind of held the lighter up to them, and they got pretty warm quick. So I'm gonna clean all this up, and hopefully after this time lapse, it'll look 3/4 of the way decent. Not all the way decent, but 3/4 of the way. So enjoy the show. Well, she's wired 99% inside and out. Only stuff I got left on it is the coils. So I got the relay wired inside. I haven't pulled the wire through yet because I don't know what smart coil bracket I'm going to use. But yeah, I mean, a lot of wiring. Oh, and cam sensor isn't wired up yet, so I'm gonna try to make it as neat as possible once I get the sensor in there. But everything else is done. This is not staying like this. It's just in there for now, but it's wired. That's the fuel pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor is hanging down here, taped up, ready to rock. Injectors are all wired, and everything seems to be displaying correctly on the screen. So before I would give like a caution sign on the injectors and stuff, so you can hear the relays firing on. Hook up the fan output on the Fueltech. Yep, everything seems to be right where it's at and working properly. So TPS is working. That was wasn't that bad. I mean, it was hours. My GoPro died, so I had to charge her up a bit, but not so bad. I got some spares run back down here. I'm gonna tie these up. This is just garbage that's not going to be used. Just ran it through extra in case I was going to do output, so I could tie it back or, you know, put it in a loom and just tuck it up somewhere out of the way. But all in all, pretty happy with the way it came out. You know, the wiring isn't so bad. I'm going to wrap all this stuff up with some loom and zip it off. But you know, she ain't the prettiest girl at the prom, but she'll make a man out of you. That's for sure. At least that's what I'm hoping. So this week is going to be go time. Previous video, I basically went through everything I got. Intercooler, blow off valve, piping, pulleys are coming, starters coming, fuel lines are coming. Besides that, just the CAN O2 sensor is needed. So and she'll be ready to make some power. I think the Motion Race Works, they emailed me. What good customer service they have. They I ordered it Thursday or Friday, and they emailed me instantly saying, hey, the columns are out at powder coating, give us a couple days. I mean, it's like, I was figuring, you know, week, 2, whatever, but they're gonna get it out, they say, by Tuesday. So I wish the whole Buick part community was like that, but it's a specialized thing, so there's a lot of waiting involved for a lot of stupid crap. So either way, home stretch, crank sensors hooked up. Luckily I had one of these 2.5 to 3 inch adapters. I didn't get one of those with my piping kit, so oh, that's my fat finger in the way. Yeah, I'll be even able to mock the intercooler up, probably make a brace for the radiator. So I don't want it stuck to the nose anymore. There's the fans that go on it, but I have another fan up here that I was going to try to use. So it's like I say, track driven only, so it's not like I'm gonna have to need so much air. I mean, I think that one fan does about what those two do, so we're gonna check it out. But yeah, hopefully she's a ripper. So oh yeah, head of gaskets I ordered today too. So pulleys, brackets, and fire. So hopefully the next video is me making people angry around here. But either way, hope you guys liked it, and again, huge shout out to Tim Bailey for hooking me up with the knowledge for that crank sensor. He's been awesome throughout the whole process of this. Recommended Fueltech. Yep, he said any problems you have with it, any questions, and he's been responsive like within minutes. You know, it's like there's certain guys out there that are solid dudes. Him and Ron are definitely great guys. So, small knit community with Buick people. You know, I consider myself one of them. We love torture, obviously. So, that'll do it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time.